Hello everyone, welcome to Lukmaan IS. Yesterday there was a plane crash in US in Washington DC. Now let's try to understand the developments here. The US airline plane crashed with US Armed Forces plane and that resulted into collapse of plane into the frigid Potomac River. So we'll try to understand the developments and also about this Potomac River. So what had happened there? American airline plane with 64 aboard collided with US Army Black Hawk helicopter outside the Washington DC on 29th January 2025. The mid-air collision happened near Reagan Washington National Airport and it crashed into frigid Potomac River. How many let's say people have died, it is still unknown, and let's try to know more information about this Potomac River, which can be asked in your prelims examination. This is the location of Potomac River. Yes, it is eastern coast of USA, Atlantic Ocean, and this is Potomac River. Originating in, we can say that these are the Appalachian Mountains here. Okay, Appalachian Mountains. So it originates in Appalachian Mountains of West Virginia state. It drains into Chesapeake Bay in Atlantic Ocean. This is Chesapeake Bay. Okay, and it forms the boundary between states of Maryland and Virginia. At the same time, Mount Vernon, which is home of George Washington, hero of American Revolution and the first president of independent USA, is on its bank below Washington DC. Okay, so this is Mount Vernon. So this information is important for your prelims examination. Thank you.